YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to show you how to change a Boob Light light bulb. So in order to do that, you need to hold the glass piece of the boob light upwards while you remove this screw down here. And before you do any of that, make sure you turn off the light switch to this particular fixture. So we're holding upward pressure on the glass piece of the boob light, and I'm just unscrewing this bottom knob, which is going to allow this to release. And you can see that's why you need to hold on to this, because this piece does just fall right out. So you want to make sure you're holding that so you don't break it while you try and change the light bulb for your boob light. Then we're just going to take our light bulbs out. Okay, you can unscrew a light bulb. All right, then you're going to screw that light bulb back in. And now this is probably the most challenging part of changing a light bulb when you are replacing the cover to the boob light, which is right here. So that's held in place with this little piece right here that's going to go underneath the boob light like so. Okay, and you can see I've got that right there. And then you're going to have this little knob which is going to screw back onto the threaded rod in the boob light. So it's kind of a juggling act. Sometimes it's good to have someone help you, but you're going to just secure that glass piece there, and then once you've got that held in place, you need to keep holding until you get this screwed piece on, and then you're going to screw that in place. And now you just keep going. Sometimes you got to recenter it, but once you get it a couple threads on there, you're all good to go. We get that nice and tight, and now we have replaced our boob light light bulb. So let's go ahead, turn that on. There we go. It works. And thank you for watching this video on how to replace your boob light light bulb. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or click any of the links below if you want to support us. Your support is always appreciated. It helps us keep making this content. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.